This is part 1 of Balloon Slime. Series 34, I believe. I don't want to waste any time because my camera is about to die, so let's just get on with the video. So let's just start with the glue. Okay, that's a little higher angle, but it's the best I could do, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh. Or I don't think we need a part 2, so we're good to go. Wow. That farted like pretty crazy. Okay, let's take out the glue. Where do I put it? Okay, I don't care. Shaving foam. I'm scared. Oh! Oh my gosh, it splattered everywhere. It splattered everywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, like it's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, just like the bowl's actually like pretty dirty because of that, and same as, oh gosh, the bowl's too. Yeah. Alright, let's just mix with my hands because no one cares. At least I know that I don't care. Oh gosh, I'm wasting time. Okay, scissors. Pop! Wait. Oh, color. Oh, it's pink. Now sealing solution. This is like really, oh my gosh. This is like I'm gonna put the title messy. Messy, 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 messy. Mixing with my hands. Mixing with at least my hands. Mixing with at least my hands. Okay, this is no part 1. This is just, oh no. No. Got it. Okay. Slime. Oh, that's actually like really good slime, so. Oh my gosh, it's like 3% right now. Okay, I think I got my pink clean. Let me just like. Okay, now let's clean and mix around the bowls. I'm sorry if I stop with no outro, it's just probably a battery, but I'm sorry. Okay, this is my slime, and that was a really fast video. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. And also, this is what the slime was. Pink, fluffy, and really sticky, so I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Alright, that's the end of the video. Bye guys!